Hey everybody, this is my new ammo box. Pretty cool. I got a tractor, a deer, a tractor, and fence, and another deer. And let's see, all you gotta do, lift this up, and then get this. Pull that down and it's ready to open. And this is what I have. I have my very good knife, have my flashlight, and got my 222 bullets. Two boxes, 22 bullets. And here we go. I got my 16 gauge Fiachis, got my 12 gauge, and then I got my 16 gauge. I got my Remington 223 bullets, and I got three 22. I got 3 boxes of 22 bullets. They're all the same. I'm 11. I'm pretty good. I can shoot a gun. Last year I killed my first 2-point. I'm just kidding, a spike. And yeah, let's go hunting Saturday.